Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how can we delete a record from a table in Spark SQL. So let's do a delete in normal table. How can we create a normal table? We can create a normal table with the help of a create table command and just provide name of the table and the column names and its data types. So here I have defined 6 column name and its data types. Once this table gets created, so let's do insert some records in table. So I have inserted 5 records in it. Once the insertion completed successfully, let's delete the records from this table which we have created. So we can see the deletion has been happened successfully. We can see number of records affected 5 rows because we are deleting all the records from this table, and this table has only 5 records. That's why it is saying that number of affected row is 5. That means 5 row has been deleted successfully. This deletion activity we are going to do on a normal table. So let's go to the PPT. Let's create a notebook. Name the notebook as delete. Attach this table. Let me create a table. We have created a table in the previous exercise. Let me copy the code of the creation of the table, and here we will going to change the name of the table. What is the table name we want to keep here? Let me do it AP employee delete underscore 1. Let's run it. This table has been created successfully. We can validate here. This AP employee delete now. Delete underscore 1. This table has been created successfully. Now we have to insert some records. So I have, to save time, I have just written some insert statement. It is very easy. That's why I have written already. And let me put here. Okay. And then run it. Okay, this insert statement has been happened successfully. Let's do a select. Select start from. Okay, it has a 5 records. 5 records we have inserted. That's why it is saying 5 records. Let's delete all the records from this table. So how we are going to perform a delete operation? With the help of a delete from this. So what it will going to do? It will going to delete all the records which are present in this table. So this the record which is affected by the delete statement is 5. That means there are 5 rows which is present in this table. All 5 rows gets deleted. Let's do a select again. We can see this query returns no result. That means this table don't have any data. So this is a normal table, right? That's why this delete operation has been performed successfully. Let's create a table using CSV, right? So let's create a table again. Create table is not exist. And what is the name of the table? Name of the table is AP employee delete. And what is the schema? AP ID is of string type. AP name is of string type. AP gender is of string type. AP salary is of integer type. AP state is of string type, and AP city is of string type. How we are going to create the table? We are going to create the table using CSV, and we are also partitioning it. Okay, how we are partitioned it? We are partitioned by AP state. Let's run it. This table has been created successfully. We can validate it from here. This AP employee delete. This table has been successfully created in default database. Let's do some let's insert some data in this table. So we need to write some insert statement. To save time, I have written this insert statement. These are the very simple insert statement that I have written. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, all the insert statement has been processed successfully. Let's do a select. Select star from. We can see there are 5 records. These are the 5 records which we have inserted here. Now let's perform a delete operation on this table. Delete from this table. This is not a normal table. This is a table which we have created using CSV, right? So this is not a normal table. So it is saying that unsupported feature table operation. This feature is not supported as Spark or catalog default in this, because this is not a normal table. That's why if the table is not normal, or if a table is not a delta table, no delete operation can is no delete operation will allowed in a Spark if the table is not a normal table or the table is not of a delta table. All other tables in delete operation is not allowed. So let's create another table that is of a delta table. Let's see in the delta table this delete operation allowed or not. So let's create a table. So we have created above. Okay, let's copy and we will change something. Okay, this is the table. This is the code of the table. Means this is the create statement which we have written above. Here we have to write delta delete. Just changes delta delete, and here instead of CSV we have to put delta, and this is a partition by AP state. So this table which we are going to create, this table, this is of a delta type table. So let's run it. This table has been created successfully. We can validate from here. This is a delta table. This is a delta table which has been created successfully. We need to insert some records in it. So I have written a insert statement to save time. Let me copy. Let me paste here. Let's run it. It is inserting the records. So all the records are inserted successfully. Let's do a select star from. We can see this is the records which is available in this table. These are the same records which we have inserted here. Let me do a delete operation. Delete from this table. So all the records are deleted successfully because this table is of delta type, and in the delta type table delete statement is allowed. That's why Spark is able to delete the record from this delta table. Let me do a select. So all the records are has been deleted. That's why this command returns no results. Hence, in this video, we have seen how can we create a normal table, how can we create a CSV table, and how can we create a data table. And after creation of these tables, we have inserted some records, and we have performed delete operation. Normal table delete operation has been performed successfully. CSV table delete operation is not performed successfully because Spark will not going to allow any delete operation on a table which is created using CSV. We have also seen this delete statement has been performed successfully in delta table. So Spark will allow delete operation on a table which is of a delta type. So let's go to the PPT. These are the same thing which I have just discussed. So thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.